Hi everybody, happy Tuesday and Tasty Tuesday. Welcome to Tasty Tuesday. I just wanted to let you know what was cooking for today. I found some frozen cod fillets. I've been going through my freezer, and I'll tell you, it's almost time for me to go shopping because I'm getting down low. I poached the cod in a little wine and olive oil, and I seasoned everything. I seasoned the water, the oil, and the wine with salt, pepper, a little bit of garlic, and a little bit of Italian seasoning. So these are great things to have on hand, you know, forever. Now the wine I used was this one. It's a white wine, and it's a wine that my sister gave me for Christmas. It's Castaniera Rias Bex Albarino, and it's from Spain. It's a product of Spain. It's very good. So I just put it with the oil, and I poached the fillets, the cod fillet, in the wine. And I would also do this with chicken cutlet. I would poach it. I like to poach also. Now for the side, I had some Barilla farfalla, the bow ties, the little bows, or maybe they're butterflies, I don't know. But I boiled some up, and I'm going to drain them. I'm going to put it back in the pot. And I saved some water because just in case it gets too dry. And I microwaved some cream spinach. Another good thing besides the spinach would be they have squash too. And I like to do the squash with the raviolis. Like you add a little walnuts, a little maple syrup. You know, you zhuzh it up. I like to zhuzh things up. So here I have the spinach already done, and I'm gonna throw it into the bow ties. See how that goes. Just dump it in, dump the whole thing in, and mix it up. I don't have any cheese. I never replaced my pecorino, but it's okay. The water was salted and seasoned, so I don't have to season this anymore. I'm gonna mix it up. The spinach with the bow ties. This is cream spinach. And I had a tomato and I had a red onion. So I just chopped a little tomato and a little red onion, and I'm gonna throw it into the pasta because, you know, a little freshness, I think. I like it. And I try to use what I have. I don't really follow a recipe. I mean, I like to get ideas. And I don't think I need any water, though I'm going to put a little pasta water. So you got your cup. And you pick up some pasta water just to loosen it up a little. Let's see. That looks good. Okay, so that looks pretty good. Now I'm going to plate it up. Put a nice amount of pasta on the dish. You ready, Ma? My mother's here. She's ready. She thinks I'm making soup. And I'm going to put the fish right on top. So there you go. If you had a little parsley, it would be nice. You put a little parsley on top. And I also have a glass of wine. So there you go. This is tonight's dinner. And have a great evening. Until next time. Take care.